I'm just an 86 witness. Taking out the suckers and you know them how I did it. Yo, yeah, came and think you wanna win it. Maybe if I pop too style, said I had the lessons. Or a triple beam, I get a deal. I'd rather speak up on overrelease cheap steel. It's the outer paper, not the caps out here. I use my independent money to pay the rent, remaining hell bent. Fall from heaven sent, where they went, the days when lights got destroyed. Bees just bored and soft punks got toured. Unemployed was a happy go lucky MC. And now that's only fucking be bringing to me. Where they went, the summer concerts on concrete. Elite could put 12 G's in the seats. Now I release a masterpiece of my music. It's 99 and no one can use it. They battle reads, the audience confused. Take Chuck D's time out, try to produce it. It seems that you got it from shit to compete. That's why when I choose to go deep, you go sleep on a verse. You're not gonna get in front. Like OJ will never ever get a hurt when he died. Think about the lives of a lie. Converse about the hurts of this rap universe. Cause radical elements remain eloquent. The repercussions tear right through the fabric. Halfway, kids at the top of laughing. They trying to turn hip-hop to just plain rap. Let the poppers pop and the breakers break. Cause it's just so much of this shit that I can take. Now I can't stand the rain. Shit's all the same, Mr. E. Excommunicate your whole game. Back in '88, baby, everything was gleaming. You know what I mean?